insertion at beginning, okay, and insertion, so creation, this is the code for creation of new node and linked list, new node in a linked list, and insertion at end. Yesterday we have discussed this, so today we will discuss about at any position. So at any position means before before a before a given node before a given node. So how to insert from section B, preferably from section B, how to insert before a given node? Should I write the code, actually the code function or algorithm? কোনটা লিখবো বলো? Code function or algorithm?
Yes, sir, anything will do, whichever you prefer.
Okay, so code function. So insert insert before insert before a given node. So insert before a given node. So insert before a given node. So let the function name is insert before and the argument, let the argument is your head. So this is a pointer, that's why pointer. So what is the return type of this? So this is the function. So first, this is the function. So what is the return type? Struct node. We have already declared the struct node, and the return type of this start is struct node. Okay. Now insert before a given node. Okay. Insert before a given node. That's why first uh, you have to dynamically allocate a new node. So new node. The name is new node. So this is just a new node, and there are two temporary pointer P, PPTR and PTR. So these are nothing but temporary pointer. So these are, what will be the return type? What will be the return type? Struct
Start
node.
node.
Struct node is the return type. So struct node is the return type of your now int your in and your value, your data, your newly inserted data, sorry, in and your value, right? Now let printf so insert, so enter your data, so enter your data, and what is your data? What is the data? So let the data is nf nf %d in, right? Let now enter the value before which we insert the data. Let this is your value before which we insert the user input value. So this will be your value. Up to this, no problem. I think no problem. Okay. Now, what should we do? We have to dynamically allocate the new node. So new node, what is the condition for dynamic memory allocation?
So we have to first check if there's any available memory or not.
Malloc, yes, that are already checked. That are already checked in your this code that I've already checked. So malloc cast type. So what is the cast type? Struct node. This is the cast type, and this is the size of. So size of byte size. So byte size is the struct node. Okay, so new node is dynamically created. Next, we have to input. We have to input. This is our data. Our desired data, and this is the P4 data. Okay, so now we have to insert new node data part at the data part. So at the data part, let this is data. So what is the uh, struct struct node struct node? So int data and struct node are next. So int data and struct. They're already created. Okay. Now new node data. So new node data, what will be the value? N. So n is copied here. Now before a given node, before a before a given node. So before a given node, that is, let this is the first node. This is the second node. This is your third node. Okay, and let this is the last node, fourth node. 4. So as this is the SLL, so the last pointer is made null, and the links are all displayed here. And this is the start node. Okay. Now suppose we have to insert this 5 between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, what should we do? From section B, anyone?
Sir, we all are from section B.
Sorry, group 2, preferably from group 2, Friday batch.
So can you repeat the question? Actually, I lost my
The link
connection.
the link list is shown. 1 first node, second node is data part 2, 3, 4. Now we have to insert the newly created node with data part 5 in between 2 and 3.
Yes.
What should we do?
Sir, we can
Sir,
change the
the new
next
node.
part of the two next part of 2 to the 5, and
Yes,
the next part of 5 will be the address of 3.
very good. So first one is the break this connection. Okay, put this one. So this is your first operation. Next, This is your second operation, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to do this, PTR, our pointer, PTR is start. Okay, PTR is start. Next,
Yes, sir.
unless and until, that is while our PTR data, rather data part of the PTR not is equal to which one? Not is equal to which one? Our data
Value.
part of
Value.
value. Not is equal to value. Okay. What should we do? What should we do? We have to
PTR equals to
PTR
PTR
equals to
next.
PTR next.
know. First, there are two pointers, pre-PTR and PTR. We have to keep a track between these two pointers. So pre-PTR, pre-PTR is equal to PTR. This is the first line, and the second line advance. PTR is equal to PTR arrow next. Is it okay? So inside the while
That
loop,
will be
Yes.
PTR.
so this is the copy, copy part, and the next one is the advance part. Proceed or advance your pointer. Advance your pointer. Okay. Next, what should we do? The first operation. What is the first operation? Now, this is your pre-PTR, that is PP, and this is your PTR, that is P. Okay. Your value is here, your value is 3. Here your value is 3, and your n is 5. Okay. Your n is 5 and your value is 3. Now, starting from the start, so initially SPP, SPP, that is pre-PTR, and P, both are at the same location. Initially, both are at the same location. Okay. So we have to proceed this pointer from S to the rightward, unless and until the data part of the PTR is equals to your value, right? So your value is 3, and at the same time copy the PTR to the pre-PTR. That is, pre-PTR is also moving forward. It is also moving forward, right? So at this scenario, your pre-PTR PP is pointing to the second node and your PTR P is pointing to the third node. Now stop. Then we have to do the first operation and then next operation. So what is the first operation? What is the first operation? The first operation is
PTR next equals to P.
no.
Pre-PTR next
Yes,
equals to new node.
pre-PTR next. Yes, pre-PTR next. So this is the pre-PTR PP. Pre-PTR PP. So pre-PTR next. Pre-PTR next is equal to new node, and the second one is the new nodes next.
New
New
node
node
next
next
equals to PTR.
PTR. So write down. Very good. Pre-PTR. Pre-PTR. Pre-PTR next. PPTR next is equal to PPTR next is equal to new node. So first line. Sorry, this should be pre-PTR. And what will be the next line? So new node, new node, new node next. New node next is equal to PTR. Okay. And finally, return. Up to this, do you have any problem? How to insert? This is the code. Sorry, this will be small s. Start node. So before a given node, actually this is the C function. C function. This is the C function. Okay. Any problem? How to insert before a given node?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Okay. আচ্ছা সায়ন 9090
Yes, sir.
এবার তুমি বলো তো আফটার এ গিভেন নোড সি ফাংশনটা কি হবে?
Sir, after a given node,
হ্যাঁ আফটার
sir, we have to see that this PTR, which is the advancing pointer, that data is not equal to the value at which we are inserting.
হুম
Then this PTR next will be equal to the
কোথায় কোথায় চেঞ্জ হবে সেটা বলো।
চেঞ্জ হবে স্যার, যেখানে আমরা যেই পয়েন্টারটা পরে আমরা ঢোকাচ্ছি সেই পয়েন্টারটার যে নেক্সট আছে সেখানে নিউ পয়েন্টারটার আমাকে ঢোকাতে হবে অ্যাড্রেস, এবং স্যার যে নিউ পয়েন্টারটা ঢোকাচ্ছি তার নেক্সটে আমাকে নাল ঢোকাতে হবে, যে লাস্টে ঢোকাই।
Let this is the uh, one. Let this is your 2 second. This is 3 third. Let this is 4. This is the last node. So make the next part of the last node to null. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3. And this is the start node. Okay. Now you have to insert after 2. 5 is there. New node is created. 5 is there. Okay. You have to insert after 2. You have to insert after 2. It is given. What should we do?
Then sir, that condition will tell that this PTR data is not equal to value. Up to that we will advance the pointer. So
Is
then
is it PTR or pre-PTR?
so PTR.
PTR.
Yes sir, which is the advancing pointer in the linked list.
Okay.
Sir, so when we'll find the node 2, there from we'll store the address of the new node, but before that we have to store the address of the original 2's next into a temporary pointer, so that we don't lose the control of the 3 pointer 3. So and then that
You-
restore or temporary.
You are asked to insert the 5 after 2, not before 3. After 2.
But sir, when we insert 5 after 2, then after 5 there will be 3, no?
Yes. After 5 there will be 3.
So we have to consider this is similar to the case that we are inserting
you-
before 3.
Do you use 2 pointer or 1 pointer?
Then we can use 1 pointer also. If I use this PTR next, that is by that will be using.
That is the 2 pointer. PTR next, that is the 2 pointer.
Yes sir.
That is also
That-
a 2 pointer.
That
PTR
PTR
next, inside PTR next, PTR arrow next, within bracket PTR arrow next, then draw the next arrow. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
2 pointer. Actually 2 pointer.
Okay.
So
Okay sir.
everything will be same. Struct node. After, this is after. Insert after. Insert after. So there will be 3 pointers: new node, pointer, and pre-PTR. Enter your data. Enter the value after which. Okay, enter the value after which we insert the data. So that this is the after data. This will be after data. Okay. Now dynamic allocation. This is the dynamic allocation. So this is the dynamic allocation. Now new node data is in. Okay, up to this no problem. PTR is start. Your PTR is start. Next one thing is that PTR is start, and at the same line you should write PPTR. Pre-PTR, your pre-PTR is PTR. Both are at the same location. Start is copied into PTR, PTR is copied into pre-PTR. Okay, so both are at the same position. So pre-PTR is PTR. Okay. Next, while your pre-PTR data, while your pre-PTR data not is equal to value, then copy unless and until you copy and advance. Okay. Next, the same thing. That is first break this one. First point is break this one. So pre-PTR, this is your pre-PTR. So your pre-PTR not is equal to unless and until your pre-PTR is not is equal to your desired data, that is 2. Here the value is 2, and your value of n is 5. Okay. So break this one. So this is your PTR. So first draw this one, then draw this one. So this is 2. Second condition, second operation. Both are same. Pre-PTR next is new node. First do that. Number 1 operation. First do that. First do that. This is the second operation. Second operation. Second operation. That is new node next part of the new node is pointing to the PTR. Return start. Is it okay? Before a given function, before a given node, after a given node. Is it okay? Do you have any confusion?
No, sir, no confusion.
Okay. Then delete.
Yes, sir.
How to delete?
No. Yes,
How to delete?
sir.
Delete from beginning. We have to use the we have to use the free. How to delete? That is, let we have to delete. We are interested in deletion of the first node. Okay, the last node, and let the intermediate node 5. How to delete? So first condition is that we have to delete the first node. So first node, so is your start and first node are same.
So
So
we will just
yes,
change the value of start.
yes, we have to change the value of start. So new start will be pointing to the second node. That is start will be this. That is struct node delete from beginning. So delete from beginning struct node let the function name is beginning delete beginning okay, and one argument struct node start, right? So first uh, there will be one PTR. So PTR, there will be one PTR, that is struct node star PTR. That is the pointer. We have to copy the first. We have to copy the address of the first node. We have to delete this one. We have to copy the address of the first node, that is the start, to the temporary pointer PTR. So how to copy? Just write PTR is equal to start. Just copy. Okay. So what will be our next operation? Start is equal to start next. This is our second operation. And the last operation is very easy. Use free, T, the temporary one. And next, start. So this is the code function, C code function. This is the code function for insert after, and this is the code function for insert before, and this is the structure. So delete from beginning. We have to use the free. So we are now deleting the first one using free. So your S, new S, is at the second position. Now how to delete the last one? Now we have to delete the last one. That is 4. We have to delete the last one. Uhini, are you there? আছে তো চুপচাপ বসে আছে, শুনতে পাচ্ছে না মনে হয়। ইয়েস স্যার বলেছে। এবার কি করব? হাউ টু ডিলিট দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান? হাউ টু ডিলিট দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান? এনিওয়ান? কেউ বলতে পারবে?
Sir,
Sir, we
Yes.
have to store null in the second last one's next, and we have to free the last node.
We have to store the
Null in second last next, and we have to free the last node then.
you have to use a loop. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nodes are there, but practically there may be 100 nodes. We have to use the loop.
Yes, by using the loop, we'll get to the second last node, then we'll store null in it.
Okay. So struct node from int. না কপি করলে কি হলো দেখলে তো? Struct node delete int. Delete int. Okay. So here reducing ptr. ptr while your ptr while your ptr, that is you are at the, you have to traverse from first one to last one. So while your ptr arrow next, ptr arrow next, not is equal to null, then you have to traverse, that is ptr. ptr is equal to ptr, you have to copy and traverse advance. ptr is equal to ptr arrow next. Okay. So you are at the, after completion of this while loop, you are at the last node. Now pre-ptr p, it should be pre-ptr. So pre-ptr arrow next, is equal to null. Last one is null, and free ptr, and return start. So you have to traverse from first one to the last one. So this will be your pp. Now your This will be your P. Okay. So you have to make this as null and free the last node. Now there will be three nodes, 2, 5, and 3. Now how to delete? How to delete at position, at any position. So at any position, let before a given node. At any position, that is before a given node. Before a given node. How to delete before a given node? What will be the function that is before a given node? 2, 5, and
It
3.
will so it will be similar to the like the traversing part will be
Yes.
similar to the insertion
Insert.
technique, but here we will be instead of in the last three lines we will be those last three lines will be different.
So here it will be PTR next, then value.
Yes, PTR next, then value. Right. PTR next, then value. So we have to copy this one before before a given node. Before a given node. So struct node, delete before. Delete. Struct node, delete before. Struct node start. Uh, insert the int value. So int value and our desired data. So enter the value before which we insert the data. Okay. Before which we delete the data. কোনো আমি যদি কোনো মিস্টেক করি সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ক্লারিফাই করবে কিন্তু। ওকে, বিফোর ডেটা। সো এখানে নিউ নোড হবে কি ডায়নামিক্যালি অ্যালোকেশনের জন্য?
না না নিউ নোডে তো
নিউ নোড
দরকার
হবে, নিউ নোডের কোনো প্রয়োজন নেই। সো পিটিআর is start. PTR is start. Next, while your PTR not is equal to your value. So before means you have to use the PTR, right? And after means you have to use the pre-PTR, right? So before is so PTR data not is equal to value unless and until PTR. So advance, so copy and then advance your pointer. Next, pre-PTR next. So pre-PTR next. So so pre-PTR next. What will be the value? Pre-PTR next. What will be the value? Here in this particular example, let this is 2, 5, 2, 5, and 3. 2, 5, 3. Let this is 4. This is 7. Last node 7. So make a connection from 3 to 7 and make a connection from 5 to 3, 2 to 5, and let this is the start node. So we want to delete before 3. So your value is 3. Here your value is 3. How to delete? So this is your pointer P and this is your PP. Initially start PP and P, start PP and P, both are at the same position. So from this we have to traverse from left to right. Okay. Now your PTR your ptr arrow data is value. So 3. Now we copy this one to pp and we advance. Now what should we do? We have to delete these 3. We have to delete these 3. What should we do?
Sir, pre-PTR next
Hmm.
should be equal to PTR next.
Yes, very good. So break this one and this one. Break this one and this one. So pre-PTR next is equals to PTR next. So pre-PTR next is PTR next. And next line is free PTR. So return. You can easily before a given node and after. After a given node. This is your homework, okay? Merging of two SLLs. This is the homework. Up to this, any problem? Insertion and deletion up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
কারোর কোনো প্রবলেম নেই? স্নেহা 9052, স্নেহা, do you have any
No,
problem?
sir.
Please ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. আরেকজন স্নেহা আছে 9088, স্নেহা 9088, কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছে বলে মনে হয় না। স্নিগ্ধদেব,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
প্রবলেম আছে নাকি?
না স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
ওকে, এবার বলো তো যে শর্টিং কিভাবে করব? হাউ টু শর্ট?
স্যার কি শর্টিং?
নরমাল বাবল শর্ট
দুটো লুপ চালাতে হবে আমার মনে
করতেই হবে।
একটা লুপে ট্রাভার্স করে ভ্যালুগুলো দেখবো আর সেকেন্ড লুপটা একটা একটা করে সর্ট করতে থাকবো।
শর্ট, তো শর্ট নোড start, node short start. So there will be 2 pointers, ptr1, let ptr1 and ptr2. ptr2 pointers, 2 pointers are there, ptr1 and ptr2. So return type of these pointers are start node, ptr1, ptr2. Okay, complete. Let there is a temporary variable int, which is of type int. Next, ptr1 is equal to start, initialize, while we have to traverse first, we have to traverse and then compare the ptr2 with the ptr1. There are 2 pointers. ptr1 is used for scanning. So as ptr1 is used, ptr1 is used for scanning. So ptr1 arrow, how to scan the entire list, so ptr1 is used for scanning. So ptr, let ptr1 is used for scanning the list. So while ptr next not is equal to null, then ptr2, ptr1 next. Next. Now we have to compare. While your PTR2, while your PTR2,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, this will most probably create an issue when the last node comes.
which one?
Because, sir, this will probably create a issue when we are dealing with the last node. Because, like in the last node, PTR1 next will be null. So
Hmm.
PTR2 will get null. So PTR2 value will have nothing. No?
Unless and until you get the last one, PTR2 is next.
PTR2
PTR2.
is the next of PTR1. So at the
Next.
last node, PTR2 will
So you can
go.
use the PTR2 is equal to PTR1.
Yeah, we can use that.
You can use that.
But
So while you are not at the last one, both are at the last one. Now you have to compare. If the data part of the PTR1, PTR1 data part is greater than PTR2 data part, then swap, just swap. You have to write the swap function, okay? Or you can just using temporary, you can use the temporary, okay? So if you use the temporary, then what should we do? Temporary. So temp is PTR1 data. PTR1 data. So PTR1 data is now free. PTR1 data. So PTR1 data. PTR1 data. PTR1 data is PTR2 data. And what will be the last one? So PTR2 data. PTR2 data is temporary variable temp. So this is the swapping. Okay. Now after that you have to proceed. So PTR2 is PTR2. You have to proceed this, and after that, this is the first one. So PTR1. So this will be PTR. So copy this one and paste. So this will be PTR1. PTR1. So PTR1 next. And finally return start. Return start.
so this PTR1 equals to PTR1 next will be outside the whole while loop.
PTR2.
So the
Sorry,
PTR1 equals to PTR1.
sorry. PT. So this will be your if part. Okay. One second. Here, this is the if, and there will be very good question issue. So this will be if. So under this one, PTR next. So after that, paste this one. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is the entire C code implementation of the sorting. Okay, just swap interchange, very simple code. What will be the complexity of this particular struct node sort function? What will be the complexity? What will be the complexity? Ego of
N square.
n square. If n is the sorry, if n is the
U of n square.
if n is the input size, then complexity is big of n square. Okay. Now, how to march to up to this? Any problem? Please ask me.
No, sir.
কারোর কোনো problem নেই up to this?
No, sir.
Okay, Suraj.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay. Now, how to march to SLLs? Any idea?
Sir, we will take the last node of first SLL and the value of its next will be the start of the second
Okay.
SLL.
March to SLLs, and then short it. This is the assignment. Okay, this is the homework. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorting of SLL. So in our next class, we will discuss about the circular linked list.